Hello everyone and welcome to SmartRepricer Basic Learning Series. Today we are going to talk about one more time about low inventory fee, how we can use on SmartRepricer, how can we create automated rules for our low inventory fee products, and how can also we can classify them by creating tags. So let's start how we can create tag about on our low inventory fees products and how can we combine low inventory products by creating workflow in the filters. So the first of all, let's start with creating product tags because we have so many low inventory fee products. Okay, from the settings page, when I click the product tag sector, it's going to tell me choose add a tag. So I can give a tag name such as low inventory fee, and I can assign them as a yellow color, and I can click save changes. Okay, now we have filter, and also we have create a tag about low inventory fee. And now let's get see how we can use with workflow by these created tags, and how can we implement low inventory featured products that in order to create and automatically change our strategies. So first of all, let's go to workflow section. From there, let's get demonstration for our new listing. So let's get choose the new listing. The first info I would like to show in here is you can see I can now filter by tag for my low inventory fee products. And now let's get combine these products with filter by inventory age, less than 1 year, and filter by low inventory fee. You can choose product with low inventory fees and also products with low inventory fee potential. But in here, you can do exactly this. You can change automatically all of your strategies, all of your low inventory fees products by automatically. So you don't need to come in here to make any manual adjustment. So I'm just going to choose products with low inventory fees more than zero point 0.1. So, okay, these are my filters, especially low inventory fee products, low filter by inventory age, because I need to make some action depending of the velocity, and also filter by low inventory fee, more than zero point 0.1. Okay, now we have filtered. Now let's get make an action, automatically change my strategy for my low inventory fee products. So let us click and add an action, and let me show you set a strategy. And once you do that, I just want to tell SmartRepricer, hey, I have an upcoming new listing, and this new listing all about low inventory fee products. And please make sure automatically assign them the strategy that I want. So I'm just going to create a balance enhancer preset. And when I click continue, I'm just going to choose low inventory fee products from the workflow name, and these are by filter. So I have filtered by products by tags, first of all, because I have assigned them to my low inventory fee products. In the filter section, by creating workflow, I told SmartRepricer, hey SmartRepricer, I don't want to do any manual time adjustment. Could you please, for my upcoming new listing, can you assign automatically to change my strategy? And when I click save, that's all. Now you are going to see from now on your FBA low inventory fee products is going to work specific strategy that you want. And also you can always rotate any strategy that you have created, and every strategy you can assign them. So this is how you can use a low inventory fee products, and that's how you can manage all of your inventory. In our first video, we talk about what was a low inventory fee, how is calculated on SmartRepricer, how can we see on SmartRepricer. In our second video, I just want to talk about how you can create workflow by using low inventory fee and also potential low inventory fee related products. But even though by closing up, I would like to give one information regarding, even though we talk about low inventory fee so much, how can we also to how can I minimize or avoid the low inventory level fee? I just want to give you some tips for the products. where inventory is manually replenished by seller. You will have the opportunity to minimize or avoid the low inventory level fee by making recent improvements in our inventory levels. So you can do so by sending in additional units such that the product short term lasts 30 days. Historical days of supply exceeds 28 days. If a product short-term historical days of supply is above 28 days, the low inventory level fee won't apply. So in order to do that, please always control your stocks in every 1 month and every 4 weeks. Try to make an action about your stock level quantity, and depending on that, change your rules and automatically change your strategies on Smart Repricer. In our next video, we are going to talk about inventory age products, and we're just going to give you a lot of tips. And don't forget to follow us, and don't forget to watch additional video that we are going to share with you in the next couple of days. Have a lovely night, nice days, guys.